Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning ayat number 45 of Surah Al-Ma'idah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. وكتبنا عليهم فيها أن النفس بالنفس والعين بالعين for مخرج for circling your lips for fatha open jaws the sound is short. Kaf is very short and light and sharp. Tab for fatha open your jaws the sound is sharp and attached ba will get sifa of qalqala and qalqala is taba'ud. When you opening the components of makhraj, this is bringing in qalqala. Tab na 2 counts long. Ain from your throat for fatha open jaws. Alai make it 2 counts long and soft because this is harf leen. Him for kasra give e sound attached meme we will get sifa of tawassut and tawassut is medium flow of sound and sifa is tawassut and ruling it with hawk. Fi give hamsan fa then make it 2 counts long. Fi ha 4 counts long mad munfasil jais. And Hamza is very sharp. Fatha open jaws attached noon will get sifa of Gunna, this gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Nan, then this noon is attached with noon. Here comes gunna again. This gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Naf, for fatha open jaws attached with fa. Fa will get sifa of sifa of hams and rakhawa. Nafsa, for fatha open jaws. Bin for kasra give e sound attached with noon will get sifa of gunna and this gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Naf fatha open jaws attached with fa will get sifa of raqawa and hams. Nafsi for kasra give e sound. Well for makhraj of waw circling is for fatha open jaws attached with lam will get sifa of tawassut and tawassut is medium flow of sound. Ain from your throat for fatha open jaws attached with ya. This is lean, so make it 2 counts long and make it soft. Na for fatha open jaws. Bil for kasra give e sound attached with lam will get sifa of tawassut and tawassut is medium flow of sound. Ain from your throat for fatha open jaws attached with ya. This is lean, so make it soft and 2 counts long. Ni for kasra give e sound, the sound is short. Well, makhraj of waw circling your lips, fatha open your jaws attached with lam will get sifa of tawassut. Hamza is very sharp. Fatha open jaws and there's ikhfa. So this ikhfa is light because fa is among light letters. Your tongue should be in a straight position to create this ikhfa. Fa for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Will for kasra give e sound attached to lam will get sifa of tawassut. Hamza is very sharp. For fatha open jaws attached with noon, this is ikhfa. So keep your tongue straight to create this ikhfa. Fi for kasra give e sound. Well, makhraj of waw circling lips, fatha open jaws attached with lam will get sifa of tawassut. U for dhamma circling lips and sound of hamza is very sharp. Zu for dhamma circling lips, the sound is short and light. Na for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Will for kasra give e sound attached with lam will get sifa of tawassut. U for dhamma circling lips and hamza is very sharp. Zu for dhamma circling lips, the sound is light and short. Ni for kasra give e sound. Was for makhraj of waw circling your lips, fatha open jaws attached with sin. Sin will get sifa of rakhawa and it is light and it has safir. Was and then for kasra give e sound. Sin attached with noon will get sifa of gunna and this gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Bis For kasra, give E sound attached with sin. Sin will get sifa of raqawa and safir, and it is like this. And then sin for kasra, give E sound, then attach with nun. Nun will get sifa of gunna. This gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Well, makhraj of waw, circle in your lips. Fatha open jaws, attach with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Ju for the circle lips, this gene is a shidda letter. There is no flow of sound or breath. So ju, ru for the circle lips, make ra heavy and make it 2 counts long. To make any letter heavy, you are not circling your lips. Here you are circling your lips because of the not because of ra. Ru, ha for fatha open your jaws. Ha should be from your throat with hums. Qi for kasra, give E sound. The sound is short. Sas. Because of this verb, we are giving sukoon on sad, which is bringing in rakhawa here and safid, and it is heavy. And this temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4 counts. This is mad arid lis sukoon. F, give hams on fa for fatha open jaws. The sound is short. Ma for fatha open jaws, and then there is ikhfa. This ikhfa is light, so keep your tongue straight. Ma ta for fatha open jaws. The sound is short. Sad for fatha open jaws attached. Dal, dal will get sifa shidda. Sad, and then da is with fatha. The sound is short, and there is shidda. Qa, qaf is heavy. The sound is short. B for kasra, give E sound. He 2 counts long. Fa, give hams in fa for fatha open jaws. Hu for the circle lips. The sound is short. Wa for waw circle lips. Fatha open jaws. The sound is short. Kaf. For fatha open jaws attached fa. Fa will get sifa of rakhawa kaf. And then it is 2 counts long. Fa, ra is heavy. For the for fatha, open your jaws. To make any letter heavy, you are not circling your lips at all. Ra, tul. For the circle your lips attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Tul, la. For fatha, open jaws attached with ha. Ha will get sifa of raqawa here because it is with sukoon because of the verb. La. Huwa makhraj of waw, circle in your lips, fatha open jaws. Mal for fatha open jaws attached with lam. Lam will get tawassut. This is idgham, and with this idgham is without gunna. Ra and lam, whenever they come among these gunna letters, they are without gunna. Sorry, when you are giving idgham, you are making idgham without gunna. وَمَلَّمْ وَمَلَّمْ. Give the wasut on meme. Yeah. Yeah is soft for fatha open jaws attached with ha. Ha will get sifa of raqawa. It should be from your throat with hums. Yeah. Kum for dhamma circle lips, and here you are giving ikhfa shafawi, and with gunna. Kumbi for kasra, give E sound. Ma 4 counts long. Mad munfasil jais. Hamza is very sharp for fatha open jaws, and then there is ikhfa. This ikhfa is light because za is among light letter, so keep your tongue straight to make this ikhfa. Za for fatha open jaws. The sound is short. Law. This lam is light, but lafz jilala will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Allah, always long. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name is always long. Hu for the circle lips, the sound is short. Fa, give hums in fa. With fatha, the sound will be short. U for the circle lips, the sound is short. La, 4 counts long. Mad muntasil wajib. E for kasra, give E sound. Ka for fatha open jaws. Hu for the circle lips. Move for Dhamma, circle your lips. Attach the. As you will touch the, your lips should be in a straight position. Then you are going to give rakhawa here. Move. And then the, it will be two counts long. Li, focus, keep E sound. Moon. Because of this waqf, you are giving sukoon on noon. This is bringing in tawassut here on noon. Now this temporary sukoon has turned this two counts long vowel into four counts long. This is madarid li sukoon. وكتبنا عليهم فيها أن النفس بالنفس والعين بالعين والأنف بالأنف والأذن بالأذن والسن بالسن والجروح قصاص فمن تصدق به فهو كفارة له ومن لم يحكم بما أنزل الله فأولئك هم الظالمون. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.